Welcome, students. Myself, Ganesh Singh, class 9th. Today, I teach you about the classification of cardata. Classification of cardata. Cardata, it means they have notocard in any stage of life. Second, CNS hollow. Third, gills present any stage of life. So cardates are divided into two groups, Agnantha and Nanthostomatous. Agnantha means jawless animals. Nanthostomatous with jaw animals. So Agnantha is divided into two class as trichodermy and cyclostomata. As trichodermins, the animals having large scale in thorax region. For example, Cephalopsis. And cyclostomata, scale less scale. For example, Petromyza. And Nanthostomatous have divided into two superclasses, Pisces and Tetrapoda. Pisces, it means fishes. Fishes, they have paired fin for swimming, 5 pair gills for respiration, skin with scale and heart by lobe. Both lobes having impure blood. So this heart is called venous heart. Tetrapoda are four-footed animals and skeleton bony, meat means made up of calcium carbonates and lungs present for respiration. Species are divided into three classes: Placodermy, Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. Placodermy, these fishes are not present in a present time, these are extincted. And Chondrichthyes, skin with placoid scale, and second, skeleton made up of calcium cartilage and reproduction internal. All characters are species. Paired fin, 5 pair gills, skin with scale, heart bilobe, they are also present in the Chondrichthyes. For example, dog face or scoliodon. And Osteichthyes skeleton bony, it is made up of calcium carbonate such as human. And second, 4 pair gills for respiration. Gills cover present, it is called operculum. For example, seahorse, rohu, Dibiorohita, and Tetrapoda is also divided into 4 classes: Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia. Aves, it means amphibia, it means amphoteric in nature. They live in aquatic nature and terrestrial also. In aquatic, they respire by the skin. In an aquatic, in land, they respire by the lungs. So, amphoteric in nature, skin moist and glandular. Cold-blooded animals, it means the body temperature are fluctuate according to the atmospheric temperature. Reproduction external in a water. For example, frog, buffo, hyla, and reptilia, these are creeping animals. Creeping animals and cold-blooded, these are also the body temperature are fluctuated by the atmospheric temperature. Skin dry and 2 pair limbs except snake. And third, heart 4 lobed, respiration by the lungs, and reproduction in internal are snake and lizards. Aves, it means birds. Body covered with a feather, 4 limbs convert into the wings, and beak without teeth. The egg-laying animals, large egg with jaw, and 4 respiration by lungs, heart 4 lobed, tubercles and two ventricles, and warm-blooded animals. It means body temperature is constant. They are not fluctuate according to the atmospheric temperature. For example, are birds. Mammalia, body covered with the hairs, fourth, heart, chambered, and skin contains oil and sweat glands. And warm-blooded animals, mammary glands are present, developed in a female and undeveloped in a male, but for feeding the child one. Here, pinna are well developed, nucleus absent in RBCs except camel and llama. Body cavity divided into two parts, thorax and abdomen, by the diaphragm. So these characters are mammalia. Mammalia also divided into prototheria and theria. Prototheria, egg-laying animals, for example, Echidna and Archaeopteryx, and they are connecting links between the reptilia and mammalia. And theria, metatheria and eutheria. Metatheria, they give birth immature child. These are called house-bearing animals, kangaroo and opus. Theria, eutheria, they give birth well-developed child and well-developed child. For example, human, rabbit, squirrel, etc. That's all. Okay.